Okay, love bugs, I am headed out the door, and before I go I wanted to share this beautiful V-part wig with you guys. Now this one here is from Nadula. They sent me over this gorgeous 16-inch kinky curly V-part wig, and I got her installed in under 5 minutes. Now we all know the V-parts are kind of scary, especially as a girl with 4C hair. Sometimes making the curls blend even with other curls sometimes can be a challenge, but today I've mastered it and I'm going to share my tips and tricks with you guys. I mean, get a close-up look of it. This is 4C hair. This is my hair, and look at that beautiful texture. And then you look at the hair on the wig, literally same but different. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details on this wig down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, before we get started, this one is a drawstring wig. So really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys. I literally just lift the wig up in the back, pull that drawstring out like so, and anywhere I am, I'm able to adjust it, lift and tuck the drawstring back in, and this is how I'm able to keep this wig on intact and glueless no matter where I am. Now let's get into the video. Today I've teamed up with Nadula and we're going kinky curly, but what's special about this one is we are going with some natural leave out. So today they sent me over this beautiful kinky curly V-part wig. It does have the V-part cap construction. When you receive your wig, it'll have this little band right here, and all you do is you just cut it off on both sides like that, and then like that, and then you actually have your wig literally ready and prepped. You can see the beautiful V part and get a load of that beautiful texture. I love the curls on this, and then the sheen is absolutely through the roof. The length on here is gonna give natural vibes, and then when you flip it to the inside, you'll see this one here, and I'm just seeing for the first time, this one here has the 2 combs. So you have 2 on this side, 2, which makes 4 total, and you literally just will, they'll usually come like closed. You pop it open, slide your hair in, snap it closed, and it should lay super flat and seamless. Beneath that, you do have 2 combs right here, so probably will hit somewhere like above or in front of the ear, and then you go a little bit deeper and you'll get your adjustable and removable elastic band. Sometimes you'll find that when you put this on, you make it super tight. You may not like the way your wig fits, or sometimes you'll like how much more glueless your wig fits. So it is removable in case you don't like it. When you hit the nape, you'll have the larger comb back here, and then you also have your drawstring, which I cannot praise the drawstring enough. As a girl with an egg-shaped, odd-shaped head, this here comes in clutch because my nape is, I don't know what you would call my nape, but this makes it so that it fits my head all the way around, and you literally can just use the stopper to adjust it. I'll show you all that in just a moment. Okay, love bugs, I just filmed a little bitty Instagram story just to see how I look. Sometimes I feel like when you look in the viewfinder and like your little mirror at your desk, it looks amazing, and then you'll go on the camera and you just will feel unphotogenic. This one here is amazing, and look at the blend on my hair. Now this is the first time ever that I've done an actual braid out. Typically when I do these type of V-part wig installs, I pretty much will just take my hair and part it out and go with whatever products I can work with and try to find some way to make it work. Typically how I make it work is I will take my natural leave out, make sure it's covering like that track, and then go behind my ear and like kind of lay it flat and let the rest of the hair look big. Now that's my safe zone. I'm pretty sure that even with this wig, a lot of the times that's how I'll wear it, just because it's easy to make 2 different textures, aka my hair and the wig hair, blend seamlessly that way. But I also wanted to give it a shot when it comes to making the wig look good with the hair, or my hair, out, opposed to like slick down, if that makes any sense. So I almost forgot that I did a braid out on my natural hair in preparation for this video. Now I did it about 2 days ago because I was expecting to film this video today, and it came out magnificent. My hair was already pre-parted into the V, and then I'd already used my product and twisted the hair down. Now deciding if you want to twist it versus braiding it is something that is based on the curl pattern of the hair. Because this one does have more of the coils, I figured the curl pattern of my hair And like this here is my hair right here. You see it has like curly and coily, and then this is the real hair and it's curly and coily. So even though we have two different textures, this here looks so good and so similar to this, which makes it blend really, really nicely. And then I just did a little swoop in the front. I kind of could have left that out of there. A lot of us don't, or a lot of people don't like baby hair, so that kind of wasn't necessary, honestly. But you know, we moved. I think this is fabulous. Again, I'm blown away by my own natural texture. This is my hair. Keep in mind, I'm a 4C girl, so the fact that I was able to manipulate my hair and not even do too much. From what I remember, I did use a leave-in. My two favorite leave-ins lately have been this one here from Kaleidoscope, and this is their Miracle Drop leave-in, and then also the Fenty one, which was gifted to me by YouTube. And this one is the Water Boy, and it's a reparative leave-in conditioner spray. I like to say this one's special for my girls' natural hair, so I don't use it on mine as much, but I've been into like buying good products lately. I did also add a little bit of I think it was either Edge Booster or Shine and Jam. I want to say it was the Edge Booster, but in the water-based one that is white, not the brown one, because this one here is a little bit more pliable. And then I believe I did add even a little bit of mousse to my natural hair, so it pretty much was leave-in mousse and a little bit of this, and then I twisted it down, like flat twisted it down. And again, it was under that cap for about 2 days, so it was like 100% dry, and it definitely gave my hair real curl vibes. And then today, of course, I did add a little bit of the Edge Booster back on, not only to here but to the ends, just to make it, or to give it a little bit more sheen and life, and also to kind of like blend the ends with this so that they just wouldn't stick out. And I think I did an amazing job. Now with the wig hair, I wanted to give it something, but I didn't want to take it too far. Why fix it if it's not broke, right? I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Oh wait, let me show you guys. So here's a quick look at what the hair looks like from the back. Also the drawstring, I never even used it, but you can pull it out, tug it, make it nice and tight, and you are good to. Also from the front, you can lift it up, pull out that drawstring. Also from the front, you can pull that drawstring out, adjust it, lift and flip it back under, and you are nice and installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link in all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.